In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Salesforce. This integration connects your project work with your customer data so your team can move faster with fewer manual updates. By the end, you'll have a secure connection between the two platforms and know exactly where to manage it inside ClickUp. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your ClickUp workspace and that you have the right permissions to install apps. You'll also want your Salesforce login details ready. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the authorization window can open when needed. With that said, let's get started. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign in. Once you land in your workspace, look toward the top or side toolbar for the section that shows additional options. You'll see an area labeled More, which may appear as an ellipsis or a drop-down depending on your layout. Click that to expand the advanced options available for your workspace. Within the expanded options, select Apps. This is where ClickUp lists official integrations and add-ons you can enable. The Apps page can be filtered or searched, so if you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly locate what you need. Next, find the Salesforce integration tile. It should be clearly labeled. Open it to view a brief description of what the integration does and what permissions it will request. This is a good moment to confirm you're enabling the correct connection for your team. When you're ready, click Connect. A new browser window or tab will open to start the authorization process. Follow the prompts to sign in and grant the requested permissions. If your organization uses different environments, choose the correct one before approving access. Keep the window open until you see confirmation, then return to your ClickUp tab. Back in ClickUp, you should now see the Salesforce integration listed as connected. If there's a status indicator or confirmation banner, give it a moment to update. From here, the integration is active and can be managed from the same apps area if you need to disconnect or adjust settings later. If you don't see the authorization window, check your pop-up blocker and try again. If the Connect button is disabled, you may need an admin to grant you the right permissions. And if you signed into the wrong account during authorization, simply disconnect and reconnect with the correct credentials. That's it. You've connected ClickUp with Salesforce and set the foundation for smoother, more coordinated work across your team.